What if your AI could actually do math for you? Without guessing, without errors, just precise calculations every time. We'll build a calculator agent that exposes simple arithmetic tools to an LLM, then see how it decides whether to add, multiply, or divide based on user input. The pattern connects raw Python functions to AI reasoning, and you'll use it to create tools that models can call reliably. From LangChain, tools import tool. From LangChain, chat models import init chat model. Model equals init chat model. Claude Sonnet 45202, 50929. Temperature equals 0. Hash define tools. At tool. Def multiply a int b, int. Multiply r and b. Args. A first int. B second int. Return a asterisk b. At tool. Def add a int b, int. Adds o and b. Args. A first int. B second int. Return a plus b. At tool. Def divide a int b, int float. Divide o and b. Args. A first int. B second int. Return a slash b. Hash augment the LLM with tools. Tools equals add, multiply, divide. Tools by name equals tool name. Tool for tool and tools. Model with tools equals model. Bind tools, tools. This demonstrates the tool-augmented LLM pattern, where a language model dynamically selects and invokes external functions to extend its capabilities. The key concept is treating the LLM as an orchestrator that reasons about when to delegate work to specialized tools, rather than performing all computation internally. What makes this distinctive is the separation between the model's decision-making and the actual tool execution, creating a clean boundary between AI reasoning and deterministic operations. The pattern works through a declarative tool registration system combined with a stateful workflow. Tools are defined as standalone functions with clear interfaces, while the LLM operates in a loop, analyzing input, deciding whether to use tools, executing them if needed, then incorporating results into its next decision. This creates a feedback cycle where the model's reasoning improves with each tool interaction, all while maintaining a clean separation between the AI's probabilistic outputs and the tool's deterministic behavior. This approach solves the problem of LLM hallucinations in computational tasks by grounding responses in actual function execution. It's particularly valuable for domains requiring precision, like calculations or API interactions, where you want AI flexibility combined with reliable execution. The trade-off is increased complexity in managing the tool loop, but frameworks like Langgraph handle the orchestration, letting you focus on defining the tools and their interfaces. Let's break it down. From LangChain, tools import tool. From LangChain, chat models import init chat model. This code imports LangChain's at tool decorator to define Python functions as AI callable tools with typed parameters and docstring schemas, and init chat model to create a chat model instance. The model is then bound to these tools via bind tools, enabling it to automatically parse natural language requests into structured tool calls with validated inputs. Model equals init chat model. Claude Sonnet 45202, 50929. This code initializes a LangChain chat model with a hypothetical future Claude model ID, but omits the required model provider parameter, e.g., model provider equals Bedrock Converse for AWS Bedrock. The temperature equals 0 ensures deterministic outputs, and the model is later bound to tools for function calling. For actual usage, follow the official AWS Bedrock integration pattern. At tool.
Def multiply a int b, int, multiply r and b. Args, a first int, b second int. Return a asterisk b. At tool, def add a int b, int, adds o and b. Args, a first int, b second int.
These are Lang chain tool definitions, exposing Python functions to the AI model. The @tool decorator marks each function as AA callable, while type hints and docstrings define the tool schema. This pattern creates a clean interface between Python logic and AI reasoning.
At tool, def divide a int b, int float, divide o and b. Args, a first int, b second int. Return a /b.
This defines the divide tool using the @tool decorator, exposing it to the LLM for precise arithmetic operations. The float return type ensures proper handling of division results, while the docstring provides the AI with clear parameter descriptions and usage context. This follows the same pattern as add and multiply, maintaining consistency in the tool interface.
Augment the LLM with tools. Tools equals add, multiply, divide. Tools by name equals tool name, tool for tool in tools.
This prepares the tools for LLM integration. The list tools collects all callable functions, while tools by name creates a name-to-tool mapping for direct access. This dual structure enables both batch operations and individual tool lookups when needed.
Model with tools equals model, bind tools, tools.
This binds the tool functions to the language model, creating an AA callable interface. The model can now invoke add, multiply, and divide as tools when processing requests, enabling function calling capabilities. This is the standard Lang chain pattern for tool integration. Langgraph tool integration pattern. The @tool decorator transforms Python functions into AA callable operations, while model bind tools connects them to the LLM for dynamic execution decisions. Tool names must be unique across your toolset, as they become the invocation keys in tools by name. This pattern enables precise, schema-validated function calls from AI models without exposing implementation details.
The tool that never calls itself answers every question